Welcome to the Easy Tech News Fix-It channel, and one of the things that we, of course, have been looking at is how the Apple M1 ARM processor is so powerful compared to even the best of what Qualcomm has to offer. And this is kind of interesting because Qualcomm has been there for a long time, and even though their chips have been getting more and more powerful, they're still behind. And you look at Apple making an M1 chip, the first processor, homemade processor, if you want, from their company. And immediately that processor beats anything Qualcomm does. Is pretty amazing. And also, I think it's, when I say there's fair competition, we talk about AMD and Intel all the time. Well, I think this is fair competition. Apple ARM chips versus Qualcomm. And Qualcomm has announced that its next generation, the SC8280, could actually be the M1 killer. So that's going to be, of course, something to see because we haven't had any, anything to test out. We haven't seen any real-world performance. But it's going to be interesting to see what happens with this because, they need to step up and make sure that these chips get even more and more powerful. That is for sure. So we'll see when it's actually available and when they actually test it out. And it's going to be interesting to see the benchmarks between those. But apparently, the Qualcomm Snapdragon SC8280 might be what is going to be at least equal, if not better, the Apple M1 chip. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.